Hey guys, what's going on? If you're in an alerts group this morning, I already sent you a message to go ahead and short AZO at market open. Okay, there's a possibility of AZO. Already released earnings report this morning that it could stall out right here at about 25.72, possibly jump at the open to 2600, which could be followed by a sharp drop all the way to 24.42 or 2400, possibly even 23.50 briefly. So catching this trade takes you as a trader being super fast, trying to nail your entry. In stocks like AZO, BKNG, you're going to have a huge spread, which normally keeps a lot of traders away from trades like that, because you're going to pull up the option chain, you're going to be all like, holy shit, the spread is like $10. So what are you going to do? What you're going to do if you want to capitalize on this easy 5x to potentially as much as 20x trades, and that's really going to depend on the strike you go for, and that's really going to depend on how good of a fill you're going to get. So the deviation in the results in this trade could be humongous. Again, literally, somebody could nail a 5x on here. Somebody could end up with a 20x trade. Now, the high risk strikes, of course, are going to be the ones that are out of the money, and they're going to be paying out the most if you're going to get a good fill. Now, the opportunity for a move expansion in this particular trade is huge. Everyone on Wall Street is unanimously bullish on the stock. The stock can do no wrong. If you look at a longer time frame chart, I mean, it's a solid pattern higher. This stock seems to be immune to any sort of market crash or market, it seems to be like it's in the world of its own. But dating back to a few years, we were managing to nail some exceptional trades on AZO puts. And there are moments, not every earnings report, but there are moments where we can clearly see this distribution behavior in AZO where it looks like the stock can do no wrong, but we're coming close to some sort of top information, such as the one that we're seeing right here. It's a double top. And there's a great probability that it temporarily can sell off, such as, for example, an instance right here. You can see we had a small double top right here, followed by a sharp sell-off on the stock, okay, and a quick rebound. So this could be a great opportunity to play on the short side first, and then when all the selling subsides, we can go and put a nice call trade on the stock. So the size of the move could be huge, okay, which is what gives you the opportunity to go in and collect as much as 5x to 20x on a trade like this. Now, ideally, what we want to see when the market opens, I'm recording this at about 8:50 a.m. Before market opens. So the idea is, for a perfect setup, we want to first AZO to at least bounce like maybe 20-30 points, which is not a huge deal for a $2,500, $2,600 stock. So we catch that slide bounce, and all of it can happen, like literally, guys, it can happen so fast. It can happen within minutes to where it first pumps 20-30 points. You think, oh my God, this is going to be another perfect day for AZO. And then things they're going to start looking like this very, very fast. So you got to be fast. You got to know what strike to go for. There's so many details that you would need to know to put this stuff together, guys. The easiest way to do, I'm going to try to upload this video right now to YouTube, and just guys, give us a call right now. You can talk to a 13 Market Moves coach. We can get you the ins and outs on this trade, give you specific strikes, when to enter, when to exit, and so on. So just make sure you don't miss this potentially beautiful trade. And it's actually, based from a standpoint of probabilities, AZO is way overdue for a temporary sell-off in the stock. So don't miss this one, guys. Easy short on the put side first, followed by an easy bull run in the stock after about a couple of 100 points lower. So 170 point move in the making here if we count a small bounce followed by a sharp sell-off. Guys, this is a beautiful setup. Don't miss it. Trade it with a 13 Market Moves coach. Let's roll.